Welcome to Inkazumulo Center's YouTube channel. La sikhuluma khona ngakho konke okubandakanya nemarket. Igama uStan Lewis, your favorite trader. You just don't know it yet. Ngithanda ukubonga kubo bonke abasubscribile kule channel lena. Nisiza le channel ukuthi ikhule. Khona abangasubscribanga but bayawabuka ama video wami. Guys, cela ni subscribe. So, kuningi okuzayo, cela ni subscribe and enjoy the video that is coming right now. Namhla bengibheka ama-opportunities wokubuy iNasdaq. Nabona lapha ngibakhe i-IFG inverted fair value gap. So ngilindele ukuthi imarket ibuy from lapha ikhona, then ithathe leya buy side layer. So nizongibona nge-execute lana ibuy. 2 lot size ngiyacabanga, 4 if I'm not, 3. Okay. So nazo ke ngifaka i-stop loss. I-stop loss sami ngisifaka below le candlestick leli lenze i-fair value gap. Then immediately after i-price i-break my by liquidity, I move my stop loss in a better position. As in like ngiyasikhatha i-stop loss sami ngisenza sibe less than it was. So lana yabona i-price yele yabuya ya trader into le IFG bengimakhile, then yangithatha out. So bekune fair value gap enye futhi phansi kwaleyana, hence angizange hesitate. I just executed immediately after taking that loss because bengazi ukuthi market izobaya from la ikhona. So nazo ke I executed 4 standard lot size. But la kule paper trading there, they don't work like that. But then yeah, so sizosho ukuthi is for standard lot size. So here I was checking ukuthi if market ya break down, then bizothatha that low. Then immediately my tata that low, I was going to sorry about that. Immediately my tata low, I was going to exit. So that impulsive leg goal marker, it's the impulsive leg that gave us 2 inverted fair value gap. So mina ngilenga react kule yokuqala lapha, hence ngilenga thatha loss. Kanti market beyifuna ukuyotesta the second one le lapha phansi. So mangibona price move away from where I entered, I move my stop loss. Immediately after ithatha liquidity, like buy side liquidity in this case, I move my stop to break even. So ngiyenzela ukuthi mangabe price iyajika, then ingangikhiphi a loss, at least ngiphume nama profits. So we just took out a short term buy side. Then lapha ngicela ukumakha i-fair value gap ama weeks ne ibambe lento le ekhanda ukuthi ama weeks ama fair value gap, they act as ama fair value gap. You see how impulsive that price was immediately after my qeda ukuthenta leya fair value gap that week. That's all. So la, the one thing that I didn't do engibhede ngayo ukuthi ngingaclose lapha. I had to close immediately mayifika lapha because bese ifikile ku target yami. So mina bese ngifuna ukubona ingikhipha vele. But then it did take me out in the opposite direction. So then ngicela ukuyimarka i-fair value gap, bengicabanga ukuthi sorry about that. So I thought the prices will react kule fair value gap then go up. But then I was wrong. So the price went and took me out. I nearly entered another position. So this is what I was expecting. So mangibona this move, this impulsive move, then I remembered ukuthi okay, we just took out London high ne? And immediately after price ithatha London high esikhathini esiningi or is previous session high iyajika nayithola. So la mawubheka kahle lana le fair value gap le ayizange yasinikeza ibhaya ngisho, and i-price ya trade below yona, so hence ngiyenga execute le sell. So manabona kahle i-sell iyapusha, but the overall direction of the day is bullish, guys. So keep that, don't forget that, keep that in your minds. So here ngizomaka in volume imbalance. This volume imbalance yiyo lesiphushela price ukuthi iyothatha that short term low. I don't think izo. So I'm executing another trade because the price is a reactor kuyo le fair value gap le bengimakhile IFG. So le bekuzoba i-target yami there, but then price didn't go there. So I was just looking at how much I've made so far. Okay, so na price iyadlala khona lapha ilinde nje angazi ilinde. Okay, so uzobona izopusha i-price ne, then take me out with that loss. So this is a huge loss, guys. Don't use le risk laying Spanish. So this was like poor risk that I was using. So every time price breaker is sell side liquidity niyabona ngimove stop loss sami. So bese ku minus 152 manje seku minus 82 because we were in a bullish trend. Mangabheka kahle i-structure se-price mangasibheka kahle sonke ne la kule chart leli, you can see ukuthi i-bullish and lapha la ikhona currently kune week, that week, and then ngishilo ukuthi we use them as ama fair value gap. So price came back to test leyo week leyo njengoba manje nizoyibona ipusha, then take me out with a loss. So we'll wait and see ukuthi yenzani price. So this was like was it the third trade of the day? I think so. So I was done for the day. So price took me out. So I was just looking ukuthi price ifuna ukuyenzani kahle kahle, then to conclude ukuthi I will trade or what. But then I was done for the day. Nothing happened right after this trade. So nibheke kahle, guys, like the way I execute khona ama trades wami. I will explain it properly clearly. I'm doing this on a Monday morning, so I'll explain this properly this week. So kushuthi video yakhona I'll drop it during the week. So okay, the next day, Tuesday, on this day I was looking for my buy opportunities. So I wasn't doing a top-down analysis ne. Okay, why being buy? It's because the market just took out the previous session's lows, sell side liquidity. Ithathe i-London low ne-New York ne-Asia low. Immediately after iqeda kuthatha i-London low, it gave us that impulsive move, that impulsive leg le esinikeze this fair value gap lesikuyo manje. So this fair value gap, I am thinking ukuthi price might trade out of this fair value gap and go to that buy side, the Asia session high or London session high. So nizoyibona price move away from this fair value gap kancane ne, angakasifaki stop loss. Okay, now high, we just took out the high, a short term high sibiza kanjalo ne. Okay, so now koke stop loss sami nasi ngiyasifaka because we just took out a short term high. So ngiranga realize leyo nto ukuthi okay, immediately the price might qeda ukuthatha high ngiyazi ukuthi ngajika anytime. So that's the short term high. Now minimizing my stop loss. Nizongibona ngimove from time frame to time frame because of using one device ne. Yeah, so I can't keep up with what I'm doing here. Okay, so this is an inverted fair value gap. Naye enye futhi inverted fair value gap. So i-price ngingabhaya from yona lapha. Mangabona kahle i-price ne immediately after I enter ama trades. So the only issue with the trades that I'm taking la kule account le engiyibonayo ukuthi ama take profit placement wami are not that precise. Okay, I can enter I can enter endaweni right but ukuphuma kwami vele kubhede nje. So okay, price isapusha, so we will let it push. So in thing is engilindele ukuzibona like ama-retracement, so the retracements back into ama-fair value gaps, then mayibuya kuleyo fair value gap mangabe confident ngaleyo trade leyo, I execute I enter more trade. Into engiyenzayo yiyo leyo, but mangaba ngikho confident ngaleyo trade leyo, I just let it be. Ngayithola. So la benginota ukuthi ngilindele iprice ukuthi yenze into so inga-retrace that inverted fair value gap, then go up. So here 1 minute chart, I went down, then I saw this fair value gap inside layer inverted fair value gap. So this fair value gap bengilindele ukuthi price ingatradela kuyo, but ngizange ayibona iyenzeka leyo nto leyo mangikhumbula kahle. So we will see price range from that high nale fair value gap lela phansi before breaking it and going up. Network. So into engilindele nje ukubona iprice ibreaker that buy side, so that ngizokhona ukumove in my stop loss deep into profit, so that when price ijika inkeeping a profit rather than a loss. I thought so that's what I was waiting for. So range, to see ukuthi range izoyenzeka ne, you just mark your short term high, in this case your short term high, then you wait for price ukuthi ibreak that high. Nayithola. Then uzobona ukuthi iprice libe liyastola, maybe trader above yona but fails to close above yona. You just know ukuthi price is ranging. Okay, so 28 minutes later, that long position being closed, then I entered another one, which is this one. So now I'm seeing a inverted fair value gap there. So price nayibona that range le lapha, ngibone ngathi idlala lapha isikhathi eside nabo, so I decided to close my trade. So I'm waiting to see what price will do inside that IFVG. Hence I'm pyramiding that IFVG. Immediately after price ithatha that buy side, I'm gonna move my stop loss to, I'm gonna minimize my stop loss. Okay guys, lezi izinto engingakhona ukuzenzela. Kamele niyeke ukuthenga ama-signal wabantu guys. Trading is not a get rich quick ntontone. Kodwa mawungayifunda like enough, you will get it right. Okay, so la ngibone the way price ibuya ngakhona back, hence ngile ngamove my stop loss into profit nayithola, so that ngingazophuma ne-loss on that trade. So that was the first trade of the day. What I saw is that the price is creating a market maker buy model. Yeah? Hence I did that. So ngilindele ukuyibona i-dropper into this IFVG, then ngizothatha ama-opportunities wayo lapha. Okay, price was still playing, so bese ngibhora nami ukuyibukela nje libe liyenza so. This was a Tuesday, right? Second day. First day was not a bad day. Then today I already took, okay, it's a break even, so still not a bad day so far. But then gune IFVG lela papan, so I'm marking this, I'm using this Fibonacci retracement. Nabona la ngimake khona ngale painter leya 50% level. So price came back on the next day, on a Wednesday, kuleya 50% level, and traded up from yon. That was Wednesday. I didn't trade. So Thursday, the fourth day, so I'm marking it by side and sell side liquidity. Price just took out sell side liquidity, ne? And there's that IFVG pricing ayaguyo, then go up. So Saiboni price is selling, and before I sell, I just created this market maker buy model, then yashiela the IFVG de la papansi. So singalindele ukubona price ukuthi ibuye kuyo le IFVG. Right all. So that was what I was looking for. So Asia low, that was the Asia low. That's Asia high, and the enye with the white, that line with that is white, it represents a market structure shift, ne? So there's that fair value gap, a price reactile kuyo le fair value gap, and this fair value gap right here on lower time frames, which is 1 minute. So my key sell side liquidity ukubona ukuthi this fair value gap, is it going to hold to push a price to the sell side? But the price it just traded above that IFG. Then ngaya kuma higher time frame to check ukuthi kuyenzakalani, why I price lapha kulowa time frame yele ya trader above that fair value gap. Then I saw ukuthi I price iphakathi kwe fair value gap, hence nizongibona ngibaya la, ne? I bought because price was inside the fair value gap, and there's an IFVG in this time frame, which is a 1 minute chart. So I'm connecting my paper trading, then I execute 2 lot size. That's our stop loss, that's our take profit. Then we wait. Then I wait for a price to clear the nearest buy side liquidity so that I can minimize my stop loss. So siyalinda guess bona ukuthi price ifuna ukuyenza the modifier. We just took out the first buy side, hence ngilenga modifier immediately. Okay, niyabona lento bengizama ukuyiveza ukuthi okay la ngena khona ne, I do see ukuthi okay these are perfect areas where I enter, but la ngiphuma khona guys. Okay, so I'm pyramiding my entry because the price came back to my entry. There's a second opportunity to enter again. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna practice my exit strategies and including my risk management. So I'm paper trading. I was paper trading to understand how I trade. Now I see it okay. Yeah, one of my mistakes were unfair. This is where I should improve. This is where I should work. This is what I should work on and stuff. Please give me a few minutes. Sorry about that. So lana ngiceda kumakha the week. So week guys, mina ngihlezi ngiyithatha as a fair value gap. So that was into eyashiwo Michael ukuthi ama weeks mawungaya kuma lower time frames, because this is my lowest time frame, a 1 minute chart, so I can't go kuma seconds. Mawungaya kuma seconds chart uzobona ukuthi kune fair value gap kuleya week leya. Hence every time I price my inside a week I reactor the same similar I reactor ngokufana na when my phakathi kwe fair value gap. So angazi why lawo magambe wanzima ukuphuma, but then yeah. So niyabona ke I-price ipushile and ngamove my stop loss to break even, so that when price ijika ingangikhiphi ngeloss, ngiphume ngale profit nyana le ngiyenzile. So le fair value gap le kuyo manje ne, that is a fair value gap. Ngibuyisela lela weekly leya ngilifakile. So i-price retrace like impulsively, so bese ngishake anyana ngibona ukuthi kuyenzakalani. So it took me out ku break even ne, but i-price ngathi yele yachubeka, ngisakhumbula grand, but let's see. I-price isela from i-fair value gap lapha phezulu, but angimakhanga. So this was a Thursday afternoon New York trading session. Nizobona i-price izodlala la isikhathi eside nyana. So manga check isikhathi lapha, it's 4:40 ne. That's a fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Okay, so later, like after 5 minutes, the price base asegule fair value gap yethu, hence ngilenga execute this buy position. I think here I took a loss, I'm not sure. Guys, mabe nifuna ukwazi ukuthi like these things, how do they book and how do I see the market, you can text me via Telegram so we can talk, then I can show you these things. Yeah, they are not as hard as you think, but then eating ukuthi usipane failure yabo. Nama ngizange ngafika la just by watching 3-4 nyana videos, or like after 6 months. I took me a while to do this. Okay, so ngibone like this impulsive move eyenzakalayo, hence ngiyele minimize my stop loss. So ngifuna ukubona ukuthi i-price izoyenzani. Ngiqeda ukuyimarka i-fair value gap le trader kuyo manje. Then the price took me out with a loss. So it was going for a sell side le bengiyimakhile earlier. So this is how price the decision making changes. You can be looking for a buy position immediately mawuqeda ukungena ku market, but mawulibele busy move around the market, you will see ukuthi okay, I was looking for a buy, what if they sell yabo, because say gaya in ama signatures we sell, then you find yourself selling that market. Then when you do that, mina esikhathini esiningi mangenza leyo nto leyo, mangizothatha i-loss on those kind of trades, angeke angeke ngiziphanishe nangithola for ukuthatha leyo loss leyo. Ngizobe ngiyithathile ngazi ukuthi the overall direction bekungasiyiyo le engiyithathayo nangithola, but ngiyithathile le direction le ekungasiyi overall direction. So mangiluza kuleyo trade leyo angiziphanishi, because bengazi ukuthi i-overall direction akusiyo le engiyithathayo. Angazi niya-understand it, but then ngiyazizwa mina. So i-price besadlala yabo, so bengilindile ukubona ukuthi ifuna ukunginikezana, yiphi signature ifuna ukunginika yona, so that ngizokhona uku-execute. So far the week is really bad. This was not a good week for me. I'm glad I'm making these videos. This is sort of like ngiyachanala. I used to channel using my hand, that's all. but because now I'm making these videos, so it's easier for me to make them ama-channels wami, because I see ukuthi bengenzani rather than ukufunda amagama. Ngiyangithola. It's better for me personally. Visual is better. Okay, so njengoba ngimuva from time frame to time frame is to see ukuthi ama-higher time frames ayenzani, right? So that ngizokhona nami ukujudge ama-decisions wami. So la ngiyele nga-execute i-sell. This was premature, I think. I executed the sell because i-price yele yasela before kule sell le eyenzeke like a few minutes ago. Hence ngiyele nga-execute this sell. And the other thing is that overall direction for this day bengithini is short. We are shorting. So at the start of this week I was plus 200 and something US dollars. My phela le viki le nizobona fe. Yeah, yo big rough, but then yeah, I messed up. So I closed the week kuma negatives, so I was like minus that 200 that le ngiqale ngayo plus more. So currently the account is sitting below 5,000 US dollars. So it's a new week. I'll see what I'll do this week. Yeah. Okay, so nazo-ke we took 3 consecutive losses today. Oh no, we took 2 consecutive losses today because le eyokuqala bekuyi break even trade. I thought. So I wasn't happy with myself on this day, but I was done for the day. So market maker buy model, we have that IFVG lapha, then ngiceda kuyimarka lapha. So pricing abuya kuyo then buy. Then on the next day, which is a Friday, on this day ngile nga record late. There were trades that I took before the recording started. Yeah. And it was a long position trade that I took a loss on. So lana ngibaya that IFVG inverted fair value gap ne. Yep, that is what happened. So ngiyele ngabona that week ngiyakhumbula ima week ama fair value gap. So leya week leya iyo esinikeza le sell ezoyenzeka on this day. So last trade to execute, that was a lie, bengiqamba amanga lapha. Okay, we have that fair value gap, la price reactor khona manje. So here I was just fishing for the last trade. I think in the wrong direction because we have that week bekamele ngisele ngayo leya week leya, then hold. But then because my overall bias for this day mina bengibheke ama long positions, hence ningibona ngi-execute ama buy kangaka. Last trade is executed. Njengoba ngisasho bengishasha. That was not the last trade. So the paper trading was off, hence you didn't see the trade. So that was the loss that I took for was it a second or the third loss? I think it was the third loss. The market created a clear market maker sell model inside that week, and I noticed le nto le ngithola, hence ngile ngathatha that loss. So here I was checking ukuthi kenzakalani on a higher time frame. Price was inside that fair value gap, and this is the only fair value gap ekhona naleya ephezulu. Okay, so top down analysis is what I was doing here. Ugenza the higher time frame ukuthi ilink with the lower time frame. Price was inside layer fair value gap, and mangibhekile mina grand la ngiyabona ukuthi price iyafela ukcloser above layer fair value gap layer. So here I was checking the nearest buy side liquidity, which is that one, 2361. Yeah, here price may fail closer above the fair value gap le kuyo manje. So here I'm checking ukuthi kuyenzakala. We have that low, London low was taken out ngaleya weekly yana. The London high. So we have London low, London high. Price is currently trading between those 2 points. Yeah, I definitely need another screen. Then to move around kanje ayichaza. Okay, so sinale fair value gap, inverted fair value gap. Ngibone Leona then ngayimarka fair. So here 1 hour later, price bengayenzi nix lapha yaphezulu, hence ngiyele nga move away from the charts. Then 1 hour later price sold. Then now ngibone a fair value gap eguyo, so I'm taking advantage of the fair value gap. So a 4 hour looks very bearish, ne 1 hour nayo ibukeka bearish. So on this day I already have a loss minus $22. So njengoba silapha phakathi kwale fair value gap, I'm waiting to see ukuthi prices will respect na ama higher time frames on this day, 1 month. So njengoba ngibheka, so bese ngicheck ukuthi vele on this week, because it's a Friday, is the price going to close bullish or bearish? Into bengichecka kahle kahle. Okay, so this is the trade that I took. Nakhumbula ngithi last trade, so bengiqamba manga lapha. I started ngile ngabona ama opportunity yabo, then I executed on those opportunities, and they went wrong kulama opportunities because I didn't close early kwamanye. They ended up losing trades because of the impulsive move. We move our stop loss immediately masiqeda ukuyibona yenzeka le nto le, or my breaker in liquidity. So yeah, this was the last trade of the day. Yeah, this week was not a good week. It was not a week. Go and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me grow, guys. Please. So that when I grow, you guys will motivate me to drop more videos. Okay, so that's an IFVG. Hence ngilangangena another trade later, which was down. It was on keep a live price. So go and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch me grow. I promise you guys, you won't regret. Subscribe.